Hi guys, this is regarding a 2002 Honda Accord that had a clicking noise coming from the left rear. As it was being driven by my daughter, it was making a click, 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 click in rotation with the tire. When she applied the brake, the clicking got worse, and when you apply the emergency brake with the button pushed in while going real slow, it became very noticeable louder noise. Any rate, I couldn't tell if it was the pads right away. I pulled them off and they weren't abnormally worn. But when I took the caliper off, I noticed the drum or the disc didn't feel bad. Didn't think a thing of it. Well, it kept doing it, even though I thought it was repaired. This is what I found the disc to look like. I'd never seen separation like that before, but that entire area was gone when I finally took the rotor off. Here's the sad part. It only had 23,000 miles on that rotor. They were both replaced about 4 years ago. She really doesn't drive it much. Anyway, for what it's worth, if you have a clicking and sound that you can't determine, it might be something as simple as this. It's just crap steel used for rotors. Alright, good luck, take care, bye.